Hey everybody, today's video I'm going to show you how I transformed my hair from this to this. So if you want to see the steps that I took and the products that I used to produce these beautiful curls, stay tuned. Let's get started. I am going to be using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Collection by The Mane Choice. I am going to use the shampoo and then the new 5-minute reviving mask treatment. This is available at www.themanechoice.com. With my hair completely saturated, I am going to apply a generous amount of shampoo, begin massaging that in at the roots and creating a nice lather. I like to detangle while shampooing to reduce the amount of detangling needed later. I'm going to rinse the shampoo out and you can see my curls already look amazing, but you know what? The 5-minute reviving mask treatment is going to revive my hair even more, causing not only my natural curls to pop, but help me to create beautiful definition for this style. I'm applying a generous amount of the product and evenly distributing it from roots to ends. After the product has been massaged in, I'm just going to install a chunky flat twist and repeat these steps for the remainder of my hair, then place a shower cap on and leave this in for 5 minutes. I've rinsed the product out and let's check out these curls. Do you see this texture? I love the fact that it only took me 5 minutes for a mask treatment to reveal this beautiful curl texture. Not only that, but my hair feels moisturized and so soft. I'll be using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse as my stylant, as well as white perm rods for my curls. With my hair divided into smaller sections, I'm going to take 2 pumps of mousse and just massage that in. Starting at the ends and working my way up, I'm going to use my diamond brush to detangle. One of the techniques I use when rodding my hair is braiding down about 1 inch at the roots, which 1 helps to stretch the roots and 2 helps to separate my curls a lot easier when I remove my rods. Now that I've braided and detangled my hair, I'm going to take the rod, wrap my hair around the ends of the rod first to secure it in place, and then twirl the rod around my hair and then fasten the end of the rod. And that's it. That's the technique I'll be using for this style. I'll just repeat these steps for the remainder of my hair. Let's watch the process again. Braiding at the roots, and then detangling with my diamond brush, rolling the end of my hair with the rod, and then twirling the rod around my hair, and then fastening the rod in place. With all of my rods in place, I'll just let it set overnight and then take down the next morning. I'll carefully remove each rod, starting at the back and working my way around. I am loving the definition and the shine I was able to achieve with these products. I know one concern with mousse is that it leaves your hair feeling stiff and may even cause flakes, but I'm not experiencing that at all with these products. And remember, I braided at the roots. As you can see, when removing the braids, I'm able to get separation without disturbing my curls. Once the braid is removed, I like to just twirl the curl around my finger and then move to the next section. I start with just this method of separation and then further separate later and then lift at the roots with my pick for additional volume. And after some additional separation and using my pick, here are my results. I am so in love with this look, you guys. What do you think? My hair feels and looks amazing and the definition is crazy. Not only that, but I can change the look. I'm going to take a little bit of the Mane Choice Edge Control and apply it to each side and then pin it up with some bobby pins. And yes, I'm going to brush down the little bit of baby hair I do have. I like it to be natural and not too overbearing. With my sides pinned in place, I'm just going to pull my hair down and just do some additional fluffing. And here is the final look for look 2. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below if you like look 1 or look 2. I can't wait to hear your feedback below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for more style inspiration, you can follow The Mane Choice on social media at The Mane Choice. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!